Can I kick it? Can I kick it? Can I kick it? Come on. Well, can I kick it? Come on. Yes, you can. We with the floor shop, kick it with your torso, voice getting high, girls even more so. Wave your hands if you're not with the man, and can I kick it? I got it, you got it, we got it. I got the kids gonna stick it in the goal. Babylon back in business, get out, get away, this different girl every man. Scotland, can you hear me? Do you feel me? 1, 2, I don't wanna John, where's it gonna stop? DJ, you're keeping me up all night. Singing in the clusters, music for your masses, kid no, head no. I'm a rubber kicker, love me quite polite, but when I rock the mic out, you got no love, you with the wrong man.
Time to move your body.
If you can't get a bird, but your best friend can.
Time to move your body.
I don't wanna be sleazy, baby, this easy, got no family plan. I said, do you hear me? Can you feel me? Show me. Good job. When's it gonna stop? DJ, you're keeping me up all night. Well, it ain't easy. Most of them please me, never in their head. Well, it ain't easy. Okay, one hand in the air. Hold your fist like this. That's right. I don't wanna rock, DJ. Cause you're keeping me up all night. You're making me feel so. That was only 2 reacts ago, that one. So, I had a film made about my life. And I'm not even dead yet. Amazing, right? Did anyone see it? You saw it? Amazing. Thank you very much, thank you. You saw it? Incredible. Oh, bless you. Thank you very much, mate. What's that? Shit. Oh, shit hot. Thank you very much. Honestly, my main ambition for the film was for it to not be shit. That was the goal. Now, what I didn't realise when I'm making the film, you have to be careful about what you say and how you portray people in the film. So I had to send the script off for approval for loads of people. So I sent it off to Gary Barlow. rings me up and he goes, Rob, I've read the script. I'll come off worse than Darth Vader in the first Star Wars. So I changed it because the truth is there's only one villain in the movie. Only ever one twat in that story, and it was me. But the movie was only part of my life. It ended at Nebworth, and to be honest with you, my life only started when I met my wife. Or as a lot of you will know her on the internet from what I've read, that bitch. And then Teddy arrived, my firstborn. Yeah, amazing. I've got 4. Teddy, Charlie, Coco, and the other one. The other little fella. Yeah, bless him. He's really coming on. At least that's what the nannies say. Really doing well for his age as well, whatever that is. You know, before I had my family, I didn't really know what I was doing here. I know you know my story. I was lost. I was loud, maybe, successful, maybe, but completely lost. And then they arrived, one by one, tiny hands, big hearts, and they didn't care about charts, they didn't care about stadiums, they just cared that I was there. They didn't save the pop star, they saved the person. Love you guys! They gave me something I didn't even know I was missing. They gave me a reason to stay, a reason to laugh, a reason to get out of bed, even when my head told me not to. My kids, my family, they didn't just change everything, they are everything.